Okay, so this is with the regular bulbs in before we make any changes. Okay, passenger side headlight bulb. We're gonna reach in here, pull the plug straight back. You can squeeze on the top of this plug. Pull that plug right off. You can tuck it around this harness so it stays out of your way. Now your next step is going to be pulling this rubber boot off. You got these little pull tabs on here, so that helps pull it off, okay? It's a protective boot to keep moisture out of the bulb. Now I'll show you how there's a little retainer in here. It's very unique to this style of bulb. These are 9003 bulbs, also called H4s. Okay, the focus isn't great because the camera is so close to the bulb, but what you got to do is you got to go on this side here, press in, and lift up a little bit. That's going to release this little retainer. Swings all the way around. So now with that retainer out of the way, you can just grab this bulb and pull it right out. This is another set of bulbs from Auxito that they sent me. These are 9003 H4s. Okay, product manual. It's pretty straightforward. Talks about the warranty and such. So, with these bulbs side by side here, that's the regular halogen I just took out. Here's the LED that'll replace it. And the depth at the plug is a little bit longer, but we do have some space behind the bulb area, so that'll work fine. So as we know, this type of bulb works as high beam and low beam on this car. You got 4 LED chips on it. Part doesn't feel cheap to me. It's got a fan on the inside of the bulb area, and of course this is a lightweight metal. If this is aluminum or some other type of alloy that they've used, seems put together pretty well from what I can tell. And we'll find out what the brightness difference is, if it really helps. I'm sure the color temperature is going to be different. Color temperature is what makes it seem more like daylight instead of a yellowish color. So this one is Q16 series, and this tells me a 6000K temperature. So that'll be really bright. That'll be a nice bright blue to white light. So we'll pop this in, and I'll just show you on the passenger side. The driver's side is the same exact procedure to get the bulb out, and then we'll show you what these look like lit up in the garage. And then we also have a comparison of night driving with original halogens and LEDs. Okay, so when you plug these in, that horizontal blade goes up. Get that retainer swung back out of the way again. So go right in, just like that. Make sure that the flat horizontal blade is up. Now we can swing that retainer back around, get it around that hook, and lock it in place. So now that bulb is in place, held in like it's supposed to be. So now we can bring the protective rubber boot back down again. Get that around the body of the connector part on the bulb. I'm just going to press that boot around the outside as well. And what you're feeling with your fingers in there is making sure all 3 of those pins are protruding. And then you're going to press it so it goes around that body on the inside, and then also here on the outside. So when you're looking at here again, you can see that the rubber portion is pushed around the body of the bulb connector, and that's what's going to help us keep moisture out of that bulb housing. Now you can grab your plug. We took the side a few minutes ago. Plug that back on. Now it's installed. I'll swap the other one real quick. And I'll show you the comparison of the lights inside here. Okay, so this is what we're looking at indoors. And definitely a whiter, slightly blue light. Another neat thing, really doesn't matter as far as your driving goes, but they snap right on. Kind of a cool effect. So that's low beams, that's the highs, low, high, and we'll show you what that looks like for real road performance.